Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. If I had a day that I could give you, I'd give to you a day just like today. If I had a song that I could sing for you, I'd sing a song to make you feel this way. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. If I had a tale that I could tell you, I'd tell a tale sure to make you smile. If I had a wish that I could wish for you, I'd make a wish for sunshine all the while. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. Sunshine almost all the time makes me high. Sunshine almost always.
Vegetables are cooked just right. The onions are almost translucent, soft. The peppers are soft. The mushrooms maybe could have cooked a little bit longer. I might cook those in a standalone tray just to see if I can get them a little moister. Maybe I'll take the slices and spray a little cooking oil on that. That'll help maybe get them a little bit moister. So, oh man, this is a big success. Today is, I don't know, July 22nd. Looks like about 1 o'clock. That took from the time I cracked the first egg to the time I started eating. It was probably about an hour. But while I was doing that, I was doing other things. I made myself some French press coffee and just kind of taking in the day and enjoying it. And with that, with my Ethiopian blend Olympic coffee roasters, Olympic Crest coffee roasters. I'll have to look that up. Sorry, Chuck, I forgot the name of your business. Anyway, Olympic Coffee Roaster is owned by my classmate and good friend Chuck Kennedy in Olympia. Check it out. The coffee itself came from good friend Tammy Morgan. The meal was provided courtesy of the good Lord's Son overhead and the GoSun Sport cooking solar cooker in front of me that you see right there cooling. I did close up the wings to get it out of the sun and keep it off the table for now. The tripod weight keeps it very well mounted, and I'm feeling pretty good about the setup that I've got it now. This is my third meal, second success in a row, and I think we're getting to be a fan of solar cooking here on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington State. All for now. GoPro, stop capture. GoPro, stop capture. This one's cooked specially for you with no onions in it. Are you ready? Listen to me. Easy. Oh, good boy. All right, listen to me. Lie down.